Hi salon owners, it's your friend BK. Today, I'm going to show you how to write a salon business plan. One that helps you raise funds, attract partners, and stop the chaos. I've worked with salons packed with clients, and I've seen salons with empty chairs and stressed owners. The difference? A plan. So grab the free salon business plan template below, and let's do this together. Think of it like a blurred picture of your salon's future. And together, we'll bring each part into focus. Executive summary. Start simple. 1 page. Who you are, what services you'll offer, your concept, where you'll be located, and what support you need. It's a trailer of your story. Short, clean, and makes people want to see more. Concept and market fit. Ask yourself, what makes your salon unique? Why should clients choose you? That's your unique selling proposition. Keep it short, 30 seconds max. For example, we're the go-to salon for modern color transformations. Balayage, highlights, and toners are all we do. But a concept isn't enough. You need to prove demand. And here's how. Open Google Keyword Planner, type balayage or men's haircut, plus your city. See how many people are searching each month in your location for that particular service, and that's the proof. And here's how you make it real. Show a simple price menu, 4 or 5 key services with starting prices. When people see it on the screen, it turns your idea into a business. And if you're brand new to salon business, check out my video, How to Start a Salon Business. Let's move on to leadership and team. Behind every great salon is the team. Keep it focused on hair. Who's your lead stylist? Who's your color expert? Who's your junior stylist? Your story and your team's story show this isn't just an idea. It's a real business with people who live and breathe hair. Salon design and space. Your environment shapes the client's experience. How many chairs and basins? The vibe. Is it boutique, edgy, luxury, family-friendly? Your model, employees, booth friend or suites. Smaller, smarter spaces usually keep costs down and cash flow stronger. Let's now go to salon location strategy. Even the best concept can fail in the wrong spot. So who's nearby? That is your target client. Who else is there? Show your competition. What's around? Gyms, cafes, boutiques that bring traffic. Prove your location makes sense. Salon marketing plan. Marketing is a story. First, Google. Client search, balayage near me. Your salon pops up with client reviews. Then, social proof. A friend posts a before and after picture. You've got referral cards ready. Next, nurture. Send welcome emails and SMS reminders. Then, loyalty. Clients stay because you reward them. Finally, ads. Only after the basics are working. Too many salons start with ads and marketplaces that burns cash. Build your brand first, then amplify it with ads. And for ideas, watch my video, Salon Marketing Ideas. Technology and management. Tech can make or break your salon operations. In your plan, show the salon software that keeps everything connected. Booking, visits, notes, checkout, review, rebook. That loop reduces no-shows, saves front desk time, and increases repeat visits. And that's why we built Zolmi, my company, all-in-one revenue platform for salons that has all you need in one place to elevate managing your salon business. Now, you don't have to use Zolmi, but without an integrated system, most salons end up juggling too many tools, paying way too high costs, and adding stress to staff and clients. SWOT analysis of your salon business. Every plan needs a reality check. Strengths, skilled stylists and loyal clients. Weaknesses, new brand, solved with reviews. Opportunities, trending services like blonding. Threats, staff turnover, solved with training. It shows you're not just dreaming, you're planning with balance. Financial plan of your salon business. Money doesn't have to be complicated. Show 4 things. First, startup costs. Build out chairs, stock, licenses, marketing. Then, revenue potential, which is clients times average spend times weeks. For example, 120 clients times 85 times 4 equals 41,000 a month. Expenses, rent, payroll, stock, marketing, software. Break even, when income covers expenses. For example, costs at 25K, revenue at 40, that means you would need 60 to 65% chairs filled every week just to cover the cost. And healthy salons run at 8 to 12 profit margin. Keep it realistic. And that moves us to presenting your plan. Now package it so others can see your vision. Create a clean 10 to 15 page deck. Start with the executive summary, add visuals, design, brand, financial snapshot. And with your ask. We're raising 180K for 4 chairs and 6 months runway. And that's how you create a successful salon business plan. Remember, it's not just for banks. It's your roadmap, your decision tool, and your path to freedom. Download the free salon business plan below and start building your plan today. And when in doubt, stay fabulous and carry on growing your salon.